In this video, we are going to see how we can take the sales order from the customers even without the stock. As you can see here, on 5th of January, it says sale order received from Scott Anderson and sales order number is 24. So we are receiving the order of shirts and pants from customers. Now just remember that we don't have anything as a finished goods stock as an opening balances, and neither did we manufacture the shirts and pants until now. But since the customer is already here, we cannot reject the order. And that's a normal practice in all the manufacturing companies, that even we don't have the stock, we still take the order. We take the time period to deliver the finished goods and then we will manufacture it accordingly. So let's see how we can deal with this in Teleprime. First of all, I'll just go to the vouchers, and on the right hand side, we have all the vouchers mentioned here, but the arrow next to the sales will show you the further options. Here you will see the sales order, but it might be disabled. So what we need to do is we'll just click on other vouchers and click on show inactive, and there you just need to double click on any one that you want to enable. For example, I want to enable the delivery node. Same thing you do for sales order. So let's say this is sales order. I just double click here. It will show you activate now, and I'll select yes. So this is how you can activate this. Let's go to sales order. And since I'm using the Teleprime educational version, that means the full functions are enabled, but the only date I can enter is 1st, 2nd or 31st. So I prefer to do all my project on 31st of January. Customer name is Scott Anderson. And the order details, if you want to mention this and if you have all the details, you can mention it here. Otherwise, I'll just skip through it by just pressing enter and enter. Order number is 24. So I'll just mention the order number. Since this is the first time we are entering any kind of sales, whether it's sales invoice or sales order, so we don't have the sales ledger at the background. Alternate C to create a new one. It's very simple to create. I'll just write here sales and it goes under sales accounts. That's it. Not applicable. Control A to save. And now we just start entering the items that we have received order for. So we have received the shirts order. As soon as we hit enter, we'll see the due date. That means on which date the order needs to be delivered. So let's say it's on 31st of January. Quantity is 3000 shirts. It will show you the negative stock warning, but we can still continue with it. Hit enter. It's just an indication that you are taking the order against zero stock. So that's what we are here for. We are just entering this. So this makes the total to 1.2 million. Hit enter. Due on the second line. Just ignore this and go on the main screen first and then press enter further to go on the second line. Now we start entering the second item, that is pants. 31st of January. The quantity is 2000, and if it shows you the negative stock warning, just ignore that. Hit enter again. Rate is 500. This makes the total to 1 million. Press Ctrl A and press tab or enter. In the narration, we can just mention, copy and paste this narration right here. Just make sure before saving that the totals are correct. And if all is fine, just press Ctrl A to save. And this is how we can book a sales order against zero stock in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.